been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand. It's hard for...
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm just going to get straight to it, is going to be about what I basically eat for dinner on a keto diet. Now I'm really rushed for time this morning, so I'm going to show you how I prep and the kinds of foods that I will eat on a given day on a ketogenic diet. So if you're interested to see the kinds of foods that I basically eat for dinner, or for me dinner is around about 10:30 in the morning, then please keep watching, because after this video I'm off to the gym. Stay tuned. So let's get started. I always love eating fish, especially salmon, wild caught salmon. I'm going to put the fish skin down first. Now obviously this is a lot of fish for me, so I always tend to cook in bulk. Some salt, Himalayan rock salt, and some black pepper, and that's all that it is. So I'm just going to let that cook, and then I'm going to show you the vegetables that will accompany it. Now I'm just going to flip it over. Now I've also got a tub of frozen broccoli, but that's okay. Frozen is equally as good as fresh in most cases, and I'm just going to microwave this in. Now I've just flipped them over, and as you can see they're developing a beautiful crust. However, because it's such a thick fish, the insides are going to need a lot more cooking. Microwave, and once the fish is done, then I will carry on with the spinach. Okay, I'm happy with the fish, so I'm going to remove them now. Pan with the same juices, I'm going to now walk the spinach. If you need to add more oil, then do so. Now you don't want the juices of the pan to go to waste, so I'm going to make now a lemon butter sauce by adding about 2 tablespoons of sour cream, half a lemon or thereabouts, 5 to 10 grams of butter, and that'll be the sauce that'll go on top of the fish. I'm going to remove the spinach. Some olive oil. Toss it around. So now I'm just going to pour that over the broccoli and just mix it all into the broccoli. Just give it a good mix. So I've also got about 6 or 7 eggs on the boil, and I'm also going to pan fry some asparagus. So what we have now is some hard-boiled eggs, wilted spinach, pan-fried wild-caught salmon, asparagus, and broccoli with a butter lemon sauce spiced with some hot chili flakes. So that's the dinner for tonight, everybody. So that's some of the kinds of foods that I will eat on a ketogenic diet. Good fish, good protein, lots of greens, great fat as well. So if you enjoyed watching me cook and prepare my fish for my dinner tonight, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and click the notification bell for all the upcoming videos. I've got to go now, so once again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.